Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the cluster and bar stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, the front post triple crochet stitch, and how to make the cluster stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6. I have already made 30 chains on my hook. To start row 1, we're going to be making a 3 double crochet cluster starting into the 8th chain from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is going to be the first part of our cluster. If you're familiar with cluster stitches, it is the bottom of double crochet stitches all clustered together. So this is the bottom of a double crochet into that 8th chain. Make the bottom of a double crochet into the next chain, and then make a bottom of a double crochet into the next chain. So that's a 3 double crochet cluster. Yarn over, take your yarn through all of the loops on your hook to make that cluster stitch. Make 2 chains, skip 1 chain, into the next one make a double crochet. Make 2 chains to skip 1 chain. Then we're going to make this 3 double crochet cluster over the next 3 chains like we had done. Make 2 chains, skip 1 chain, make a double crochet into the next one. Make 2 chains to skip 1 chain. Make this 3 double crochet cluster into each of the next 3 chains. Make 2 chains, skip 1 chain, make a double crochet into the next one. Make 2 chains to skip 1 chain. Then we're going to make this 3 double crochet cluster over the next 3 chains. Make 2 chains to skip 1 chain, and then into the last chain of this row make 1 double crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. Now we're ready to start our sequence of this row. It's going to be pretty easy. You're going to chain 2, skip to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the next stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the next stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the next stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the next stitch, make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the next stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 2, skip to the last stitch and make a single crochet. Chain 2. When you run out of stitches to work into, you're going to have these last chains at the end of this row. Work a single crochet into those last chains to complete row 2. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 5 chains. We're going to skip over the first stitch in our row. We're going to be making this 3 double crochet cluster into this chain space, single crochet, and this chain space right here. So we're going to be making the bottom of a double crochet into that first chain space. Make the bottom of a double crochet into that next single crochet, and then the bottom of a double crochet into the next chain space. So that's going to be a 3 double crochet cluster, yarn over, take that through all of the loops on your hook. Now make 2 chains, and we're going to be now making a front post triple crochet over the double crochet 2 rows down. So this is a single crochet in our last row. We're going to make it over this double crochet. Now make 2 chains. Now we're going to be making this same 3 double crochet cluster over this next chain space, single crochet and chain space. Make 2 chains, make a front post triple crochet over the next double crochet 2 rows down. Make 2 chains. We're going to be making this same 3 double crochet cluster over this next chain space, single crochet and chain space. Make 2 chains, front post triple crochet over the double crochet 2 rows down. Chain 2, 3 double crochet cluster over this next chain space, single crochet and chain space. Chain 2. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 1 stitch left. Work 1 double crochet into that last stitch to complete row 3. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the cluster and bar stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.